Okay, some of you might be wanting to know when a rooster starts to crow and doing his courtship dance and protecting his ladies. If you guys have chickens, so um, this this can start happening around 9 weeks to 16 weeks of age. Mine started at 9 weeks old because he's a breed while they start a little early because he's a blue Orpington Bantam. So he he started a little early, and he's a blue Orpington Bantam, and they usually start around 6 to 9 weeks of age, and they might start trying to crow around um around uh around 4 to 6 weeks of age, and they usually do the courtship dance around 10 weeks of age. And today I was noticing that he was calling the hens over. Now he's 11 weeks old. They are all 11 weeks old. He was starting to call the hens over because there was food, because there was something around here, and I don't know what it was. I think it was some kind of bug, and he was just letting his ladies eat first, but they did not come. So yeah. And this is my blue Orpington Bantam. And today he done his courtship dance for me right in front of me. He circled me. And this is my beautiful blue Orpington Bantam. Yeah. He's, he's beautiful. So yeah, that's all. If I think a few people wanted to know. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. Bye.